if there's one thing that makes Lovable tough to work with, is the credits. Like, I'm a paying member. I get, 400 credits a month, and they go by fast. And then, if you think about it, then once they're gone, I just get the same 5 credits per day that everyone else gets, even like free members. It's tough. So you gotta make do with it, because in the end, it's still a great tool to work with. And for things that around debugging, making some edits, visually copy, and so on, it makes no sense to use Lovable, like zero. Like benefit and price makes zero sense. So you gotta put your project somewhere else, and that somewhere else is Cursor. And this is what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to take your Lovable project into Cursor and then make it to, so you're going to work from, from Lovable to Cursor, from Cursor to Lovable, step by step. All right, so I have here this landing page, something that I built for my community, and we are going to have here. So we're going to connect GitHub. All right, so connect. So we're going to sync this project over here to GitHub. Straightforward, easy, done. All right. Then, so you can also view it on GitHub. And here we go. You can see it here. Now, you are going to have here a folder. So I have this folder called Cursor where I have all the projects. So new folder, I'm going to call it landing page. Right, so we're going to open, it's like there's nothing there. All right. And then we are going to go to Cursor. Let me put it here. And we are going to open a project. Cursor, landing page, boom, it's empty. There's nothing there, right? So we come here. So this is the link to the GitHub project. I'm going to come here, clone this repo. All right, that's about it. All righty. Did it paste? It pasted. Boom. Very straightforward. You go just with the agent component, and then it's going to clone it. Now, few questions that you might ask. Okay, will these changes go live? Yes, but it requires a few steps that you need to do. Actually, here we go. Put this bigger. First and foremost, after you make the changes in Cursor, you gotta push them once more into the repository. All right, let's come here. So if we come here to the source code, let's say there's something that I may want to change. So let's go back. All right, we go to Cursor. Show me where is the copy of the hero section, right? So we are going to go there. We're going to make a tiny change. It's also important because currently we just cloned the repo and the Cursor agent haven't had the time to actually go there and find it. All right, it's rendered here. Oops, let me come back. And we then need to find it. Okay, let me find it. Hero section copy is here. All right, let's come here. I have no idea where it is so much. There's so much red, but not my problem currently. It is like from idea to AI product, right? So, and I'm just going to change from idea to product with AI, right? So this would be something that makes a bit more sense for me. By the way, you can also, let's open the app locally. You don't necessarily need to have everything on Lovable. So let's open it locally because it's always good to make sure that what you're doing works locally first. And then, of course, you put it in the repo. All right, start the local dev server. This is like a standard process that happens. You don't really need to create virtual environment or anything like it. This is just this component step by step. All right. All right. Then I was talking about the steps. So first you need to put it in the repo. This repo is of course connected to Lovable, right? So even though you may not see the change immediately in Lovable due to cache issues, they will be there. So that's point number one. But for the end user, it just happens after you publish via Lovable. So it's not enough to be in the repository. You need to publish via Lovable. So this is something to have top of mind. All right, so it's installing project dependencies. Here you go, starting the development, and we are going to have this quite soon. Immediately, while I'm going to do the rest, I'm going to say push the changes to the repo. Here, let me open this, and here we go. All right, so you can see here our local host. At some point, we're going to see some changes to the source code that are going to be done quite soon. All right, a hero community. Let's see when this component loads. And as well, I mean, what we are going to see is once we put this, like the changes on the repo, right? We're also going to see here also a message confirming that from Lovable. This is like, of course, the component that tells us that Lovable and GitHub and Cursor are like syncing together. But of course, the syncing with Lovable is automatic. The syncing from Cursor is as you wish, right? So it's way better for development. All right, from idea to AI product. Wait, didn't that change? From idea to product with AI. Didn't we do that? With feedback, accountability, and all right, okay, from idea to product, yeah. Now, yes, okay, and I had to do a hard refresh. All right. Then over here, it's not done. Let me check how are we faring on Cursor. Current repo state, local uncommitted change. If you want, I can commit. Yeah, commit and push. There's nothing committed to push yet. Okay, commit and push. And this is going to be enough. Alrighty, so now it's complete. Let me come here. We should see something. Here we go. Now it's done. And we see here the update on Lovable. But, right, so if we look at it here, we still have from idea to AI product. And then we are going to update this component here. And this is going to be the part where the change actually occurs for the real user, right? And if you think about it, that's of course way helpful as you're developing things, that not all changes that you do on your repo are immediately live. Right, from idea to AI pro, let me do a hard refresh. Hard refresh is Control Shift and R. All right, from idea to product with AI. So this is how you do it. It's way helpful because like I have the 60 euro subscription with Lovable, and I have the 20 euro subscription with Cursor. And like the Cursor one is like almost illimited because you get like 400 million tokens, like massive, like ridiculous. In any case, hope you enjoyed this. For more tips, let me know. And if you have any questions, do share them with me.